little artists. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a school. Are you ready?
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing a big triangle at the top. This will be the roof of our school. Now, under the roof, draw a tall rectangle for the front wall of our school. Behind this, draw another rectangle roof and a big rectangle wall for the back building. Now our school is getting bigger. Let's add a big double door in the front. This is where students enter the school.
La da 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 dee.
Next, let's draw 5 big windows, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. These will make our school bright and shiny. Every school has a clock, right? Let's draw a round clock at the top of our front building. Now, let's write school on the front sign so everyone knows what it is.
La da 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 dee.
And we're done with the drawing. But wait, let's make it even better. Let's go over our lines again and make them bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Wow! It looks amazing.
Yay!
Now, let's make it colorful. Bring out your color pens and let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color.
Yay!
Purple color.
Wow!
color. Sea green color. Wow, our school looks so colorful and fun. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big high five. Want to draw more cool things? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings.
Yay!
See you next time, little artists. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.